Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be using this stamping plate by KADS Nail Art, and it's Ocean 017. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. And I'll be using this design only for today. Let's just make it a bit simple. And after that, I'm applying a shimmer top coat onto it. After all of that, let's apply top coat. The link for this stamping plate is available on the description box below. Don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code at kadsnailart.com. It's KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!